In this week 2 turn-in assignment, the first part of it is going to involve you calculating some statistics and making some grabs using Minitab. And the directions on how to log into Minitab are provided in the document with the assignment. So what I wanted to do was create a video to demonstrate how this will be done in Minitab. I'm just using a different set of data. Now my data here is with regards to the battery life of 9 different varieties of cell phones. And these are in minutes, of course. The first question you're being asked to answer in your Minitab assignment, part 1, is to calculate the measures of center, including mean, median, and mode, spread, including range, standard deviation, variance, and IQR, and then measures of position, including the quartiles, quartile 1 and quartile 2. So after you've entered your data into column C1, to get these statistics, you're just going to go to Stat, Basic Statistics, and Display Descriptive Statistics. We don't want them all. We just want those that are requested in the assignment. So you just need to make sure your cursor is sitting in the box below Variables, and then you double-click on your column. Now to pick the statistics that we want to report, we'll choose Statistics. I want mean. I don't want standard error of the mean. I want standard deviation, variance, first quartile, median, and third quartile. One of my measures of spread, interquartile range. I'm not interested in the minimum or the maximum. I am interested in the range. And I don't need to worry about those latter 2 checks. I can just get rid of them. And so I want to make sure I've got everything selected. My 3 measures of center, mean, median, I forgot the mode, and my 4 measures of spread, standard deviation, variance, range, and interquartile range. And then my measures of position, Q1, first quartile, and Q3, third quartile. So I'll click OK. Now in in question 2 of part 1 of the assignment, you're going to be asked to make a box plot and a histogram. So while I'm here, I'm going to click on Grabs, and I'm going to choose histogram of the data and box plot of the data, and click OK. Now I have everything I want. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Now what you'll do is, in turning in this assignment, if you're handwriting your responses, then you'll just need to save each of these outputs and send them or upload them with your scan of your PDF in Canvas. If you're going to be typing your responses, and you can just take a screenshot of these grabs and outputs and insert them right into your document before sending it along and uploading it in Canvas. So on a PC, you have something that's called a snipping tool. And since I'm working on a PC, I'm going to just search for my snipping tool. And you click New. And all you need to do is click and drag around that box plot. You can Control C to copy it and then go to your document, and Control V to paste it. You'll want to make sure you include, of course, your box plot. There's your histogram, and here are all those statistics that we requested. So you'll be making a screenshot of each of those. Let me know if you have any questions.